looking at the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. We just got it. You can still see it sealed up here. And a lot of complaints. I know that, well, the only complaints I've been hearing is so big, but maybe not so much for us. I'm used to the current phone we got is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Edge. And we'll get this out of the box, but it doesn't look like it's going to be much bigger than what I'm already used to. Through the magic of time and editing, of course, there's a new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And my current phone, you can see, we are not talking hardly any difference, to be honest with you. Wow. Talking very, there's no case or cover on either right now. And it's definitely heavier. There's definitely more weight to it, but let's go out and shoot some video on this. And we're not going to do any post-production on this video that you're going to see. So in other words, we're not adding any color or any hues, not changing anything. It's going to be raw as you see it. We will shoot it in Dolby Vision. Shooting in the sun, shooting in the sun. Walking with the phone right now.
It said hazardous conditions on the sign.
Really?
Gorge Trail. Yeah, it must be limbs or something.
Okay. Hey, we can only do what we can do.
Yeah.
This is the trail. We're going to go up that.
Yeah.
Sitting on the edge somewhere. Here we go. Give you a little look over. Ooh, overhead. Goes kind of down. And this is the way I'm still hiking right here. So we're going up that trail. See, we're going to go down there and give you a little of that. There's a sign saying she's closed. Hi guys, down here at the end of the trail for today. Okay, first on 1X lens. The exact same swoop. 2X, 2.5, excuse me. Pro Max has 2.5, not 2.0. Okay, so now we're on the 0.5. Now on the 1:1. Now on the 2.5, 2.5. So that zoom might be a little blurry. We'll see what it looks like in post-production. That was Indian Trail. That was quite a hike, I'll tell you.
Oh, yeah.
Easy coming down, though. That was nice.
Nice workout, though, I have to say.
Good cardio.
Yes,
I'll
but
tell you.
at least it was a pleasant day. Beautiful scenery.
It was close to 50 degrees, I believe.
52, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, so it was nice. It would have been nicer, I think, with the leaves colored up.
The sun was shining.
A couple weeks ago,
We got a
it would have
lucky
been.
day. It
We were a
was
little
good.
past the prime, that's for sure, color-wise, but it still was pretty, and I'm glad we did it. It was kind of a two birds with one stone type of deal, you know.
See, I was bundled up.
Yeah, you were.
Even though the sun was out. So Watkins Glen State Park.
Nice place, nice park.
It was a nice day.
Was a good day. Have you lost your contact though?
I got it.
Oh, did
It
you?
was down in my eyeball.
I didn't lose my contact.
But I went up, but he was already too far ahead of me.
Okay, guys.
Say bye, KJ.
Hope you liked the video, the new phone, and of course the scenery, Watkins Glen. Of course, the leaves have all fallen off, so that's not quite as nice anymore. But
It's pretty.
Still, it was pretty in person. I hope that on the new iPhone Pro Max, it looks kind of good too. So you guys check it out and leave comments. Bye.